On all my workout people. You already know what it is. And if you don't, this is week 12. Week 12, that's where we at. Week 12, 15 down, calisthenic push-ups. Calisthenic workout push-ups, 15 down. He's already getting to it. You already see me. That's how we do it though. But I'm starting off, I'm going to 15. So you trying to follow along? Go starting off with 15 push-ups, all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. 15. If you watch my last video, I did 10 down, and that was my first time, and this was the next day, me doing 15 down, 15. So after I do this 15, the next set is 14. After 15, you get down and you do 14 push-ups. Look, bare minimum break. That wasn't even a 10-second break. But you could take a little long, but, it's the beginning. So for me, I just kind of, you just go in the beginning. Because you don't really feel it that much. And, well, for me, I kind of already know how these workouts go. I know towards the end, then you really feel it, like, at 8. Or even 10, maybe 9, depending where from 15, you would probably feel it at 13, 12. And it gets harder around 8, 9, but 7, 6, 5, it starts feeling a little easier, but you feel it. But, so that's why during the beginning, if you start from 15 down, 15, 14, if you try to like go a little fast with those. 15, not fast, but like, I don't know, you try to knock those out. So now, me going to 13, once again, all the way up, all the way down. We just did 14. We started with 15 down, so now we're going to go 13 push-ups. 13, all the way up, all the way down, guys. You can do it. When you've been working out with me, you've been watching some of my shorts, shout out to you guys. You guys a chance. Hopefully they've been inspiring you to actually work out, because that's, for me, the main objective, to get people to work out, to get people to watch, to be motivated, to get people to work out. I want you to be motivated while watching my videos, or asking yourself mad questions. What is this guy doing? Like, why is he doing this? He looks kind of alright. Why is he working out? Or it's like, at whatever questions or whatever pops up in your mind when you watching me work out, I want you to have those questions. And, for me, I would want to hear them no matter what type of question they are. I really don't care. Just, no question is a bad question. Nothing bothers me. If you're trying to disrespect me, that don't even bother me. I kind of find some of the stuff funny. So it's just like, well, a lot of stuff funny. So, but nothing bothers me. But regardless, I just want to hear, what random thoughts may come to your mind about working out, or about me working out my workout, or, your workout journey, because we're all on a journey. And for me, I'm back on my workout journey. This is week 12. So I've been working out consistently for 12 weeks now. So when I say consistent, I don't mean every single day for 12 weeks, but I mean consistently, because every week for these 12 weeks I worked out. Like, even if I worked out one time, I worked out. So it's just like, it's all about, for me, in the beginning, and for anybody in the beginning, getting in the habit of working out, getting in the habit, or getting back in the habit of, remind yourself to work out, telling yourself, man, I need to work out, or don't forget to work out, or yeah, you could work out again, and, get that workout in. And, for me, once again, stuff ain't easy, or like, I need to be motivated too, so I'll watch some stuff to get me motivated. So if you gotta watch people work out, you gotta watch some shorts, my shorts preferably, to get motivated and, help you get inspired to say, man, I want to look like that someday. Why are they making it look so easy? I want to make it look easy. I want to be able to take my shirt off and just like have a problem taking my shirt off. Like, you feel your shirt small, but it's your size, but you've been working out, so it's like you gotta, oh my gosh, what's going on? Get off of me, shirt. Get off of me. And you take your shirt off, you're like, wow, whose body is this? It's my body. What I've been doing. If you see me, I'm stretching right now. Stretching in between sets to, like, loosen them muscles up. Because if you've been watching, you can see I feel it. You feel it now. And, you're going to feel it. But after I took off that shirt, I felt a little, I felt like weight was lifted off me. You should go again. But just know, you got this, and we got this. And you just got to be on your grind. You got to stay motivated. And you got to know that nobody is going to be able to do it for you. But you already know that. And if you don't know that, I'm going to just read, nobody's going to be able to do it for you. Nobody's going to be able to do it for you. One more time. Nobody is going to be able to do it for you. Like, nobody's going to be able to do it for me. Like, I was having a hard time. I couldn't even complete the set. Like, when you can't complete a set, when I can't complete a set, that's what I do. I don't fall over on the floor. I don't relax on the floor. I go in this position, just like this. I don't even know what that's called, but for me, I'm calling that the arching angel. That's the arching angel right there. You go into the arching angel position and you don't fall. So, you can get that extra push-up in and finish your set, because you want to finish that set, even if you do have to fall, which I don't. Well, I don't know. But even if you do have to fall, finish that set. I don't really recommend falling. I'll put up a video, or I'll show what I specifically mean, or how you can go about not falling, or something different than the archangel. Like, if you're just on the floor, or you're in like this, in that type of down position on the floor, and you can't complete a set, what to do. So, I'll probably put out another video pertaining to that specifically if I remember, and if somebody ends up listening to me, you could comment to help me remember or to remind me, because people are forgetful, I'm forgetful, and we only perfect, so it's just like, I might forget. But outside of that, though, you want to get them sets in, no matter how hard it is. And if you got to go into the arching angel to get that set in, that's what you got to do. And it's all right. But as long as you keeping your form, you doing that set, you completing that set, and you getting that workout in, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. Get that workout in. And look, this is me sipping on some water so I can breathe, so I can get good breathing. If you don't know about this trick, use taking a swig of water and putting it inside your mouth and holding it inside your mouth. Not swallow. Do not swallow this water, and don't put mad water in your mouth. You don't have to put a whole bunch of water in your mouth. Put a little bit of water in your mouth, or just enough little water so it's like you can have some water in your mouth. And once again, don't swallow this water. You take that water in your mouth and you do some push-ups. You do your sets of workout. Whatever workout you're doing, you do that workout. For me, we're doing push-ups right now, so you do your push-ups. And when you're doing your this is gonna help you breathe through your nose. Breathe through your nose, because you want to breathe. And once again, for me, breathing is very important. Breathing is crucial. So you want to be able to breathe and open your nose flow and open that, not be congested. You want to be able to breathe, you want that flowing. And once you try this trick, you'll be able to really see what I'm talking about. It'll make more sense when you actually do it yourself, and you feel the difference from when you're doing it. You do a few sets, and then after you finally spit it out your mouth, and you do some more sets, and then you'll feel the breathing and the difference in your breathing and how you breathe from when you do this trick. But it helps with breathing, and it helps you, on your workout. It helps open that airflow in your nostrils and your mouth, and it helps you breathe, basically. And it helps the breathing, helps you complete the sets. And I'm not a scientist, or I don't know, but for me, back in my days, I did read a lot of men's health magazine. I did read a lot of fitness magazines, a lot of magazines pertaining to health, a lot of great stuff. But this was back when, and this is kind of where I got the trick from, one of the men's health magazine. I don't really remember 100% to say that specific, but I know 100% is definitely pertaining to your breathing, and definitely help with completing the set, completing the thing. So you can personally look it up yourself, but I'm just throwing that out because I remembered when I was doing this workout, because I was feeling it. And for me, I like to focus on my breathing, and know breathing is very important, and it helps you complete a set. So for me, I was like, oh yeah, let me try this, and so I can get right and get my breathing together. But that's what I've been doing. So you can see me, I still got the water in my mouth, still completing the sets, and still going. You see this archangel is still being maneuvered because it's like, we almost done. Look at the wings. Look at the wings in that back and them arms. Look, he's struggling. But he can do it, and you can do it. So it's just like, you need some motivation. You need somebody to watch, because this is a full workout. And this ain't no, like, you watch me doing my little shorts, you just see a partial. No, this is full workout. Oh, we on 5. We on 5 now. This 5 from 15 down. So now we on 5. We gonna do 5 push-ups. Look, even doing 5 is hard. From starting at 15, we started doing 15, 14, 13. We put the water in our mouth at 7 when we was doing 7. And now we on 5. Wow, 4. Look at your man. Doing an archangel to do 5 push-ups. Bow, look, get him. Bow. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know you felt that. Look, what you looking for? What is he looking for? He trying to run? He's trying to run. Wow. He did 5 push-ups and he's trying to run. What's that? My son, you got a cup. What's that? Oh, okay, all right. You just threw that water out. Wow, yeah, look, he's breathing perfect now. Now he just took his sip of water. Now he sipped some water.
Just dump the water out.
Look at them arms. Yeah, this is a voiceover. I know you wish you could hear what I was saying. I wasn't saying nothing, but that I just put the water in my mouth on 7, and I just threw it out right there on 5. Doing 4 push-ups right now. 4 down. Look at him. Who do you think he is now? He's feeling it. He got some breathing out. He's feeling it. Oh, my bad. We ain't even on 3. But he's feeling it now. Look at him. The workout falls down. Okay, we see you. What's going on? All right, yeah. What's going on? What's that? 3. Oh, he almost fell. Okay, we on 3. Now we going to 2. This man is a beast. Okay, we see you. We can count. We see you. Hey, just know this is the workout, guys. 13 minutes. You got 13 minutes to spare within your day. It may take you a little longer. But if you, whatever time, I don't know how long it take you. As long as you're able to do it and you do it and it get done, you got this. But this is a home workout. So you guys looking for home workouts to do at home to get fit.
That's 15 down.
Wow.
On a Sunday.
Don't
15
hurt me,
down
bro.
on a Sunday. That's for you.
I'm trying to watch your video.
For everybody,
you
feel me?
Bro. Don't hurt me.
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully
now
you guys,
I could go take a shower, go lay back down, and relax.
Hopefully you guys share
at home.
this video with somebody who would enjoy it.
Make sure to follow, subscribe, like, check out any of my other
hopefully
shorts.
You share and motivate somebody and inspire yourself and let somebody know that there's somebody else who's starting and you can start too.